Yo guys, what's going on, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. And yeah, in today's video, I'm gonna be doing my I'm gonna be doing my first ever prospect rebuild, actually. It is a James Wiseman Golden State Warriors rebuild, so we do have James Wiseman here on the team. I did just pick up Alpha Diallo in the draft and Austin Willie. We won't be signing them. Obi Toppin was not in this draft for some reason. I do not know why he was not, but we actually ended up with the number 1 pick anyway. So I'm just going to get right into this. I do not know why he was not in here. Alright, but basically, Damian Lee definitely, get your qualifying. I'm going to give him his money. But here, guys, I think what I need to do is trade Wiggins and Green. I want Pascal to start or be my 6th man. I want, like, literally, Kevin Porter is a nice pick. But honestly, I might even be looking for, I might be in the market for a draft pick, honestly. Like 2 first-round picks from the Pistons or Dennis Schroeder. Honestly, guys, I want to take 2 first-round picks. And if you guys know, my rebuilds are never realistic, so yeah. But Andrew Wiggins, he's making a lot of money. Alright. Like, a first and Kevin Porter, honestly. I don't know how good we're going to be next year, but I might want to save some of my money. Draymond and Wiggins, we're making a good amount. I'm just going to do Kevin Porter and a first-round pick, because I want to load up on picks, so that way we have, those guys might not have trade value, but maybe those picks will. So we have Curry, Thompson, Poole, Porter, Pascal, Samalagic, Wiseman, and Looney. I do like Kevon Looney. Damian Lee, I want to try getting him back. So we already do have some money. Like, I would not mind signing, like, a Christian Wood, although I don't know if he's going to get matched, but he will sign with us. Marquise Chris, I'd like to maybe bring back. Mudler, no. Damian Lee, no. Juan, Joe, I think it was Joe Toscano, but Juan Toscano, Bowen Wolverine has the rights to. Did he not get matched? No, it's going to re-announce the rights on Damian Lee. Okay, no. If it re-announces them on Chris, it's fine, but I don't know where Damian Lee is, guys. I mean, I guess we could pick up, like, a Tyreek Evans. I do not know where Damian Lee is. I'm gonna try to find him. We don't even have enough money. Is he restricted still, or is he unrestricted? We might not get him back. Man, that's tough. Alright, well, Tyreek Evans can be on the trade block now. The reason I did those, Duncan Robinson, I might take the, or Tony Bradley. The reason I did make the trades for, what's his name, for Green and Wiggins and not taking a better player back is honestly because I wanted to, save some of my money for next year's free agency, so maybe we could try and sign Giannis. Which is basically why I did that. Gary Trent Jr., we do throw a 2nd-round pick in. Yeah, he could replace Damian Lee. Alright, we do have Jordan Poole. He'll be the backup of 1, I guess. I'm going to keep his overall at the 2. Or I might even put it at the 3. He goes up to a 72. Alright, what can Alan Samalagic get me? I don't really see a future for him here. A first, Duncan Robinson does bring us some shooting. Is that Cody Martin? Cody Martin might not be bad. 2 first-round picks. I just want to load up on picks. Honestly. I think loading up on these picks is going to be smart. Because that might be the right move. I'm going to do a 2nd and the guy I always get, Duncan Robinson. Honestly, guys, I might trade him. Shake Milton. I want to try and get like 2 firsts. I'm not giving up any picks. Josh Hart. I think we have to pay Josh Hart next year. Well, Robinson too. 2 firsts from OKC is fine. Because now, if I go to our picks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 first-round picks. That should not be any protection backups. Huge. So what would I do what would I get if I want to be bad, like, remotely bad next year. I'm not sure what Alpha Diallo is doing here. I didn't sign him. But basically, guys, I think what I kind of want to do is, like I said, have a kind of a youth movement. And I know that sounds weird, but besides, you know, Stephen Clay being here, I could sign someone to trade, I guess. bring Sean Livingston back to trade. Alright, there. Now, Livingston is going to go to the 3. He goes up to a 78. So what could I get for like Sean Livingston and Clippers 2024 first and a Warriors 2023 first? Like Matisse Thybulle, man. I might honestly take it. Terrence Davis or Matisse Thybulle. I think I'm going to take Matisse Thybulle. And a first. We do get a first back. So basically just trading Livingston and a first. I don't know how much more valuable the pick we just got back will be, but I'll take it. So Matisse Thybulle is probably going to come in here and be our backup 3. Honestly, Kevin Porter and Matisse Thybulle will both play. So I don't really need Jordan Poole, honestly, but I could send him to the G League and make him really good, I guess. But, yeah, the reason I did this is, you know, of course my rebuilds are not realistic, but I did this just because I wanted to kind of, like, clean house. Like, what could Kevon Looney even get me? I want to clean house, guys. Nemanja Bjelica, I'm gonna keep him. But, yeah, guys, the reason I did this again is just to, kind of clean up to sign Giannis Antetokounmpo, and I think trading Green and Wiggins for those picks will be valuable down the line. And usually, I know it's going to seem weird, like, because usually I don't do that. I try to get the best team possible that I can. But, again, you know, I did that so I can try and sign someone in 2021. So, it'd be bad maybe and get a high draft pick in a stacked Western Conference. But basically, I'll stick with you guys here just to tell you kind of about, like, the mindset I'm going with still, you know. But I want to show you guys the training camps. We only have one. I forgot to do staff signing, dang it. One untapped potential. Who do I want this going to? Wood, I think Pascal. Thybulle's our third-rated best player. I honestly intend to keep him the whole video. In the Sixers rebuild I did a while back, I sent him to the G League and built him up to like an 85 or 87 overall, and I just wanted to keep him as long as I could. So Jordan Poole's going to go to Santa Cruz. What can I get for like some of these guys? I just don't need them. J.R. Smith, Pat Patterson. Another first. Terrence Mann. Marvin Williams back on Charlotte, as well as Cody Martin. But honestly, guys, I kind of like the idea of getting the first round picks. I think I'm going to take a first and Quinn Cook. We'll take Quinn Cook back. Not sure if he'll play. I don't need T. Allen or Yogi Ferrell. But I'll take another first. And Ed Davis, who's a 69 overall. He heavily regressed, guys. Like, I just don't need him. Not going to get a first for him. I'll just take Javon Carter. We do have to add a second in. This team, I think, is looking very good for the future, guys. Very good for the future. Give me Robin Lopez. I'll probably trade him for a pick. I think we're going to be very good next season, which is why I'm doing all these. Pat McCall, sure. Bring this man back to Golden State. I want him to four-peat and get another ring. So, yeah, he's probably not going to play or, you know, whatever it is. But Quinn Cook's not even playing. All right, Kevin Porter is going to get, I think Looney's going to get like 14. Kevin Porter like 16. No, Gary Trent's going to play like 13, I think. Kind of is our last man in this rotation. We're going to switch Looney and Porter. We're going to give like 18, 19 to Kevin Porter Jr. Christian Wood, 28 is fine. Wiseman, I want to give like 34 to. Alright, Curry can play like 34. Clay, 34. Thybulle's going to get like 31. Eric Pascal, 33. Wiseman, 34. Christian Wood's going to be like 25, I think. I think I'm going to give Eric Pascal and Wiseman both 35 each. Or honestly, take 34 and give 34 to Clay, 35 to Curry, 31 to Thybulle. Yeah, 34 to Pascal, 35 to Wiseman. I know he progresses really well. 25 to Christian Wood off the bench. Porter, 19. Looney, 14. Trent, 13. Poole will be in the G League. What am I doing? Why am I going there? I want to go to standings and go to power rankings. We're third on NBA.com. I don't hate to say it. I think that Clipper team's a lot better. Brooklyn team 2, starting DeAndre Jordan and LeVert. That not LeVert. Yeah, LeVert, but they're starting Jordan and Allen. 2 center cheese. Rockets, Did they trade Tucker? He regressed down to a 72. Ooh, they're starting not Hal. Alright, guys, so I'm a little disappointed, 44 and 38. I kind of want it to be a little worse, to be honest. Maybe Giannis will come from though. Giannis, LaMelo Ball, Rookie of the Year, 6-man Schroeder, Davis, Porzingis, Carlisle. I usually don't target a player, but yeah, we're targeting Giannis. Oh, I thought we were the 1 seed for a minute. No, we're the 8th seed. Honestly, let's just take a look at these stats and see how they did. I'm guessing Curry was our leading scorer. Wow, he should have been an MVP candidate. Okay. Klay Thompson was really good. James Wiseman as a rookie really did well. Eric Pascal, Kevin Porter Jr., Gary Trent. I like to move Gary Trent in the offseason. Christian Wood, also same there. Bible I like a lot. Same with Looney, and Quinn Cook was fine, I guess. So I don't even know if Quinn Cook was playing, but I do not expect to beat the Mavericks here, to be honest. Maybe we can steal a game, but you know, it is what it is. Wow, we made it 3-2, and we lose in 6. Who did Dallas have? Brunson, Lucas, Finney Smith, Cleveland, Porzingis. That's a 1 seed? I think it's because Luka. That's how good the man is. I think it was definitely better than the Lakers, to be honest with you. Did they lose AD? Oh, they lost AD. Alright, here we go. Steve Kerr. I might keep him. I'm sorry, Warriors fans, if I don't end up keeping him because I kind of want to try and win it next year. But then maybe I don't know. If we win it, we're not going to fire the man. I mean, in real life, we did win some nice championships for them. But to be honest with you guys, I really do not think that was his team. I think the team was kind of built before he got there. Through the draft, Hayward and the Celtics finals MVP. Maybe Hayward beat the target. Alright, lottery. Alright, we did keep our first. Oh my gosh. We have a chance. We have the 11th projected pick, 14th projected pick, and number 1. We go to 3, but we also have 12 and we have 3, but I think I might actually draft like a Jalen Johnson if he's there. But yeah, we have the 12th projected pick. The Nuggets pick may have fallen out. Wait a minute. From the Jazz and the 12th pick and 18. Where did we? This is our own pick. That is from the Kevin Porter Jr. trade. I'm trying to think of the Detroit one. It's probably obvious. Oh, Jordan Poole. I didn't check him. Or was he in the G League? Yeah, I think he might have been G League. But anyway. Like, I'm just trying to see because I'm trying to think of the Detroit trade. I think we signed Christian Wood, no? We probably traded for a pick from Detroit or something. Wow, okay. I didn't edit the staff last year, I forgot. We'll just get Sean Navarro. We'll keep Ron Adams. But, you know what, Ron Adams, you can go. Hunter Wilson. Should have got the coaches last year. Oh, I should have got Otis Newman if he was there. But I don't know if he's a head coach or anything. Let's just check what we could maybe get for pick 3 and 12. Zach LaVine, Shake Milton. Man, I didn't think these offers were going to be as worse as they were. Sabonis is nice. Because now I want to be good. But honestly, guys, I don't want to take on any salary. I want to keep as much salary as I can. We are going to try and draft Jalen Johnson. Or Jalen Green. Alright, yeah, I'm going to go Jalen Johnson with this pick. And we're going to see what we got at number 12. Because I could always trade pick 12 now. If I'm not taking a lot of money back. Zach Bell. McCurr. I'm going to take Scotty Barnes. I might trade Scotty Barnes. If McCurr is still here, I'll take him. Most likely. Yes, I'm going to take him. He could be a nice backup center, and I can maybe move Looney's contract. We'll draft right here as a second round. we'll just simulate to the end, I guess. Alright. Basically, Isaiah Todd went second. Okay, alright. I'm going to sign Roberto. I might not sign him. I might not sign Herbert Johnson. I'm going to sign McCurr, Barnes, and Johnson. Pascal. Looney declined. I might let him walk. Thibault, Pascal, I'm definitely going to accept their player options, as well as Poole and Porter. Qualifying, I will give it to Gary Trent. Now, I want to see how much short we are of a marquee free agent, like maybe a Giannis. For sure, okay. Who's eating a lot of money? Christian Wood might have to go. Nafali, Dante, Terry Roziers. Does someone have money to give me a first? 2 first-round picks from the Pacers I'm going to take. Who else is making a good amount of money? Jordan Poole, what can we get for him? Oh no, Scotty Barnes. I might look to move Scotty Barnes. He's making a little bit more money, but, you know, that's not really the problem. I just want to get a pick for Scotty Barnes, maybe. I don't think he's going to play. 2 first-round picks from San Antonio is cool with me. Herbert Johnson, Roberto Gonzalez, we do not sign it. We're still short, though. I didn't think we would be this short. I thought we... like... kind of there. Who's eating a lot of money? Of course it's Stephen Clay. Jalen Johnson might stay. Alright. Who else can I sign? Like, is a Paul George here to sign and trade, maybe? No. And Kawhi made it too? Oh, yeah, this is a good free agency class that I probably should have planned a little more for. What's Jordan Poole's money looking like? 2 firsts from Philadelphia we're going to accept. So now we have definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 playable guys. Did that help the situation with the cap? No, it did not. I don't want to trade Stephen Clay. Maybe McCurr. Yeah. There are some better options, though. PJ and Caleb Martin's not bad. Dante DiVincenzo. Do I take PJ Washington here? I will. I'll throw in a first. I'll take PJ Washington, and I'm going to flip Caleb Martin right now. Because it does not look like we're going to be getting that marquee free agent, guys. And that's kind of unfortunate. Is there any way I can get 2 firsts? I might be greedy with this. I'll just take a Knicks first. Okay. The picks. Let's view these picks. We have 1 protection backup, so we can't trade that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or, just look at all these picks. I lost count. Obviously, you guys can kind of tell. Alright. Is there someone we could sign, maybe to trade? I would like to bring Gary Trent Jr. back. He accepts our deal. I do not want to renounce the rights to Kevon Looney now. Man, I regret trading Christian Wood. We're going to renounce Quinn Cook. Dang it, man. Alright. Trent. Oh, Looney's unrestricted. I got to bring him back. Oleg to 78. What's Looney? 78. I might trade Kevon Looney, honestly. Can we get Gary Trent and Kevon Looney? Yes, we do. For sure. Alright. I might trade Trent and Looney. Looney was up to a 81 at the power forward spot. So, yeah, I think I might look to, just Looney and Trent. And I'll throw in our first in 2022. Buddy Hield. Do I get Buddy Hield? I think I get Buddy Hield and a first-round pick. And then maybe I look to trade Buddy Hield. Or I could keep Buddy Hield, you know. Do not want to trade any of these guys. Jalen Johnson. Buddy Hield is a 6-man. I need to sign some guys, though, to fill this out. JJ Redick, I could sign and trade. Myers Leonard. Sign with me, please, dude. Alright. What can I get for Redick Leonard in the first? Wish it was Kawhi, but it's Myers Leonard, and we'll take top 3 protected pace of it. Should I lottery protect? No, I think I'm good. Miles Bridges. And then maybe I trade Miles Bridges, Charles Bassey, Mirotic back in the NBA. I'll take Miles Bridges, and I'll take Cody Martin, and then I'll immediately flip the 2 of them, because I do not really need them. Man, I don't know what I did for this team. I intended on signing a marquee free agent, as you guys can tell, and that just didn't happen. A first and JJ Redick. Aaron Baines could be our deal. But I don't really want to... We could trade one Bridges for another. I don't want to trade really much. So I want to try to trade for SJ. So I include like a first. He's still on his rookie deal. So I give you like Miles Bridges. I give you... That Pistons first has value. And I want to keep it. Like a swap or a Laker. Some of these picks don't have the best. Alright. Shea Gilgeous for 3 first... Or 1, 2... like 4 first, or like 3 first round picks. Yeah, and Miles Bridges deal. Now, who wants to play the 3? Shea or Clay? Kind of rhymes. Shea goes up, he'll play the 3. Okay, why not? I'm gonna try it. The eyeball off the bench. So, do we not need Kevin Porter? Oh, Jalen Johnson. Do I look to trade Jalen Johnson and make a stack? Josh Green, I might take it for Kevin Porter. I don't see Kevin Porter getting minutes. Robert Williams is there. What is Jalen Johnson's market? There has to be something crazy. Bam Adebayo. I don't really need a center though. I'm fine with what's his name, Wiseman. This is his rebuild, so I want him to kind of like start as long as he can. So Jalen Johnson and that Pistons first. There has to be something crazy, right? Bam and Tyler Hero, De'Aaron Fox. I look for like a power forward though. And there's our guy maybe Sabonis. Let's look at some power forwards, guys. Maybe, hopefully not making max contracts, though. What's the trade finder for a Gallinari? Johnson and Hield. Would they do a Gallo for Hield swap? I don't think I need Buddy Hield. You like what you have? Take the first, bro. Take another first. I can't give up all these picks. Okay, fine. I don't need Cody Martin. I just want to get a 2 first round picks for him, maybe. Or 1. Take the Spurs first. Okay. We just traded Buddy Hield because he was probably not going to play. I'd rather play Jalen Johnson. And I get Buddy Hield all the time, so you know. But I think our team is looking really well. You know, we do have our guys that we need. You know, definitely looking like a solid team. Curry, Clay, Gilgeous Alexander, Thibault. We don't need Kevin Porter. We're going to trade Kevin Porter, and then we'll look at it. Yeah, you guys can tell my rebuilds are unrealistic. Maybe I'll do, like, something I don't know. I just cannot do anything realistic. Me doing it is just never going to work. Robert Williams, you do have to throw first in. Would they do it straight up? No, you want a first. I think Itzy Sandor. Okay. Itzy, I'm sorry, but you're going to have to go. Itsy Bitsy Spider, can you get me 2 first? Memphis 2022 first. Thank you, Itsy. Now, what could I have a problem of continuously looking at trades, so I'm going to have to kind of chill out. Alright, what can PJ get me? You know what I could do? PJ and Jalen. Middleton and Afali Dante. I'm not giving you him. Gunnar. Smart, Tyler Hero. Yeah, he definitely has good, what's his name? PJ has good trade value as well as Jalen Johnson's 4 stars. You know what? I want to keep Jalen Johnson, guys. I think I might look to trade PJ Washington. I want to keep Jalen Johnson. I'm kind of coming to that conclusion. Yeah, I think Mitchell Robinson's the deal. Thomas Bryant's there as well. I think I traded Kevon Looney, right? Yeah, obviously I did. Okay. We're going to have to pay Mitchell Robinson, so I could always move him after last year. We're going to just trade Rob Williams and we'll be all set. 2 firsts from Chicago. Give me, please. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're all set for next year. I think that's it. I might get to sign a guy to maybe like trade. Danny Green's already at 74. Boban I can sign and trade. Did I trade PJ? Yeah, I traded him. What am I? I'm dumb. I think I traded him for Mitchell. Boban's a 79 at the power forward spot, and our lowest rated player, because those guys aren't on the team. I don't know why they're there. This is a way to just load up on first, I guess. Reload those picks. Give me 2. Can I do this again? Give me those Pelicans picks. Like, what could JJ Barea get me? Oh my gosh. This is fun. Let's try and build this team up. Maybe I could even repeat. Alright, Barea, can you get me another first? Like, this is just magic. Shake Milton can probably get me 2 first. I'm not giving you a first. Could you give me a first, Chicago? No, you're not getting 2 first back. I'll just take a first and a second from the Bucks. Trade the second, and we'll be all set, because these seconds won't have value, and they don't. Who wants a second? Philly. You want to trade a second for a future first? Urson. This is fun. Just sign guys. I'm kind of cheesing it. I haven't really cheesed. No, I've cheesed it with John Livingston. Urson. Getting traded, my guy. Terrence Mann might have better value for picks. I'm strictly doing this for picks. Tyler Davis. But, you know, we'll take a Suns first. That's going to wrap it up. I'll see you guys at the start of the year. I'll tell you guys who I sent to Untapped Potential and whatnot. Okay, guys. We have our rotation. Curry, 33s and 97 overall. Really progressing. Just, like, in his prime. Still over age 30 is pretty insane to me. Yeah, years pro, already 12. Look at these numbers. Just crazy. Clay will be getting 33 as well. Shea Gilgeous, Gallinari, 28. Wiseman, 32. I'm playing Jalen Johnson. A lot off the bench as a 6-man. 31. Robinson, 23. Haskell kind of took a dip in the rotation. 17. Thibault, 10. The only original Warriors here are Eric Pascal, Steph Curry, and Klay Thompson. And technically, James Wiseman was never traded, so I guess we'll say that. Even though he likely won't get picked by them in real life. I wonder what I can get for, like, Rondo and Shumpert. Can I get, like, a pick? I don't care if I take a player back. Just the first. Alright, we're trading a second, but we will get a first. I wanted to try to reload on picks for the offseason. JR and John Lure. Anyone want to give me a first? I appreciate it, but I'll take Muscala. We do go in a second, because I'll put him at the 4s. Overall, should jump up a bunch, and we'll trade him probably like 77. DJ stuff out. Arcadiac goes up a little bit. Under Kumbo. Alright, Muscala. I don't need them. Jalen Johnson's our least rated guy in rotation, but I think he's going to progress fine. Costas and Arcadiac, no. And we go DJ Stephens. We'll pick up Lynn. What did I just do? Lynn and Yada Hurdle. That's probably the best offer. I could use them to trade for a pick. What could I get for Hurdle and Muscala? Luke Kennard. Oh. Whoa. Oh, Chris Boucher. I think we got to pick up Chris Boucher and trade, bro. That's a really nice pickup to even trade. So reload on some picks. Of course, this would never happen in real life. I guess it proves that these are not realistic. We're going to have to pay him in the offseason, which is why I'm going to trade him for Cantor. And to trade Cantor. He goes up from 83 at the power forward spot, though. But I think that's got to kind of be done. It's Ty Jerome in Philadelphia now. And then getting a first out of some of these trades. Handle on right. Boucher in a second. Zubac, Josh Jackson in the first. Okogie in the first. We'll do that. We'll flip Okogie. We get Powell in the first. I don't know what I'm doing here, guys. I guess it just defeats the whole point of a rebuild. I know it's unrealistic, but this is stuff you see in one of my rebuild challenges instead of some standard rebuild. I just want to get first round picks. Because we are getting better picks. Alright. All I want is a JaVale McGee pick here. Not JaVale McGee. Aminu, I'll flip him for McGee. I just cannot afford to give any other players minutes, really. We could get a first, but I'm not giving up any picks. Not one. Ty Jerome. I could G League Ty Jerome, though. No, I'm not. I don't want to give you a first. Oh, my gosh. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or no, this is 9 because that's a protection backup. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 first round picks. Just give me a first. Whatever, man. Is Javale expiring? No, I want to get him off the books. Just give me Joe Harris, I guess. And maybe Harris can get me just a first without giving a pickup. Dude. He adds shooting to the Warriors, I guess, if we decide to keep him. Give me Derek Jones. Never mind. I'm not giving up any picks. I want to just I want to completely reload, and we're definitely doing that right now. Terrence Ross, we do give you Stanton Kidd. Did Terrence Ross get me anything at age 30? This team is young besides, besides Curry and, Clay. Kind of like the vets. I'm not giving you a first. This is just going to repeat itself. Beverly. Aaron Gordon would low-key be a solid pickup, though. We do give a first up, though. Keldon Johnson. I could G-League him, right? No way. I need to sign some players in order to do so. Terrence Davis is a free agent. Chris Dunn is okay. Jason Randall, accept. Come on, man. No, you want it. Art Posey? Jerk. JP McCura. Cool. Do we have to sign someone else? Kobe Simmons? Thank you. Terrence Clark was a free agent? Okay, what am I doing? I'm sending Keldon to the G League. Should I send Jalen to the G League? No, I don't think I can. Alright, let me see what's his name. Terrence Clark. I'm sorry, this clip is taking a while. Oh, I thought he was a free agent. Chris Clark. Is he the free agent one? Yeah. Terrence Clark has some nice trade value. What's his trade value looking like? What would they want? Pascal, Mitch Robinson. We do get Rehaj Moore back from Washington. We're not going to do it. So now our picks are looking good. Let's see the value of these picks, guys. That Pistons pick is really good. Oh, okay. Alright, that Pistons pick. What can we get for that Pistons pick? Not going to trade it, but I just want to see. Besides salary, if we could take on salary, and a team can get rid of it. That is definitely considered a good trade. I'm not going to do it. I want to hold on to this pick, the Colin Sexton one. Josh Green is a nice one, too. Alright, we have to be number 1, right? Memphis. Yeah, let's just sign Kawhi. That casually happens. Alright, Luke Kennard as well. Davis and the Lakers, they got their center and Steven Adams. Oh, the Bulls have Giannis. I was like, they're not great. Yep, DeMarcus off the bench, Kobe White, Robert Williams. They're pretty great. Brooklyn. All right, we are 5. They brought Hollis Jefferson back. 2K Sports has us at 6. They have the Bulls higher than us. The Spurs. 2K Sports loves the Spurs, usually Isaiah Todd, Rudy Gobert. We're 4 on Eric, which is usually the same as NBA.com. Let's prove this wrong. We'll see you guys at the end of the season there. Alright guys, so we wrap up this season and we actually have a pretty good record, 55-27, just tough in the West, I guess. Luka MVP, Ricky Bobo. Anthony Davis, Depoy. Josh Green, your most improved player of the year, and your coach of the year is Jason Kidd of the Nets, it looks. Alright. We're a 4 seed, yeah. We're dead. Steve Kerr could be on his way out. Curry was a beast again, SGA, Klay Thompson. But here's the thing. How did Jalen do? If Jalen didn't do great, I could trade him. He's fine. Like, I might look to move maybe a package of, like, Gallinari, pay Robinson, and trade him to Dybul. Who's on this Minnesota team? Russell, Evans, Barton, Cantor. We traded them to Towns. Up 1-0. We're up 2-0. Okay, come on. Oh, we could close them out. Not on Minnesota's watch. Okay. Ooh, the 8 seed won. Super hyped. All right. Sacramento has Fox, Trent, Avida, Looney, Bagley. Our old friend Kevon Looney, guys. Marquise Chris, Jeremy Grant, Harrison Barnes. Can we beat this team, guys? All right. Let's see. Up 1-0. We're up 2-0. We're up 3-0. Western Conference Finals. Grizzlies beat the Lakers. Yeah. We were screwed either way, kind of, but this Memphis team we already saw in the power rankings. We're up 1-0, though. We're up 2-0, though. Go 3-1. Force game 7. Force game 7. Okay. Game 7. No. Simcast it. Fight! It's always game 7, and they're up. Yeah, we're done. Memphis wins. Kerr's fired. Morant and Kawhi is, I guess, a deadly duo. Obviously, I guess Morant wins Finals MVP. Lottery. Let's see this Piston pick. It's not even in the lottery? Oh, it's 14. Bye, Steve. Sorry, but Doc Rivers. Nick Nurse. Come on, Nick Nurse. Come on, Nick Nurse. Dang it, Nick Nurse. Oh, one shot, man. Trent Peterson. Come on, buddy. Thank you. I don't need the 14 pick. Oh, wait, is this... Ooh, pick 6. Okay, that was from the Pelicans, and probably a trade we got from all those picks. All right, Richard Solomon and Eric Bledsoe. Let's just look. Derrick Rose is an 87. That could be a tradable piece. Lonzo is a good tradable piece. We're going to do that. Lonzo and Drew Holiday. We don't need these two. We can easily get something good for them, but I'm not sure what. There is pick 4 and Van Vliet where we do throw a second in. I mean, Oladipo. Jamal Murray. Give me Murray to trade, honestly. I'll give you the 20th pick. Lonzo, can we do this without Drew Holiday? A first and a second. That's big. All right, whatever. We got Christian Wood back now. Why am I doing this? Because we're bad. Where's Murray? Oh, it's Malcolm Brogdon. What am I doing? Alright, whatever. Man, that was tough. De'Aaron Fox is not tough. Getting assets and flipping them, guys. We're not trading Curry. I think we need to bring him back. I think he's a free agent. What is the market for De'Aaron? Alright, this trade I like. Sabonis and ZO2. Alright. Look at some small forwards on a max. Or not small forwards, power forwards. Like, will Tatum happen or is it impossible? I'll give you pick 30. Pick 9. I have all these firsts. And I hope this pays off since it's going to be the final year. Alright. Is this Laker pick valuable? Not really. I need something like 2 to 3 stars. Ours is not very valuable as well. Suns. That's going to be tough. Take those first out and I'll give you better value. No, those don't have value. Lottery protecting Miami and Lakers. Doesn't go through. Is it nothing for him? No. Zion's definitely nothing. Pascal is next in line. I guess I could try for like a Gallinari Siakam swap. 9 mil off. I'm not going to give you Fox for Pascal. Christian Wood and Gallinari. And pick 30. Second, pick 9. Alright, we do pick up Pascal Siakam here. That's a big pickup. I'm not saying we trade Pascal. I'm going to look at Holiday first. I have no idea what I'm doing, honestly, guys. I'll be honest. I did want to accept the Jamal Murray trade. Wow, Holiday's value is really, really bad. I want to get off his money, so we'll trade him for 2 first-round picks. That's not necessarily bad. But we're going to go to rookie signing and make sure we didn't do anything. Team player options. Wiseman and Thibault can both come back for sure. Qualifying is going to go to SGA. It's going to go to Pascal. It's going to go to Keldon. Keldon's good. That G League decision on him was final, I guess. I need to bring Keldon, Pascal, and SGA all back, as well as Steph Curry. Steph, take all this money. If you leave, we have the Aaron, but he's going to come back. Okay. And I'll offer Pascal a deal, why not? Alright, they accept. We renounce everything down here. We're not going to renounce Keldon Johnson, Mitchell Robinson. How did I forget to bring this guy back? I can afford Beverly. Nah, I'm not gonna try it because some of these guys will get an offer. Yeah, SJ is gonna get an offer. Pascal, we're gonna mash. It'll do its thing, I think. All right. Robinson has not received a deal yet. If the man leaves, I'm not gonna be happy. Except get a deal. Someone offer Mitchell a deal, bro. Come on. Because now he's unrestricted, isn't he? Oh, yes, Mitch. Oh, we can afford him. Oh, I'm not scared there. Never mind. Why can we not offer him a deal? It says we can. Thank you, Mitchell. Take a cheap deal from us, maybe, yeah. Bam Adebayo. He could replace Mitchell Robinson. And we do get a first out of that trade for De'Aaron. Guys, I think that's our trade. I think we're going to do that trade. Yeah, we pick up Bam. Thibault, what can we get for you? You were here for a while, so thank you for what you've done. Your defense was probably great. Although we're not getting what I thought we could. How about this? I'll attach you first. Sekou. Lucas Simanic. Who's this? Scotty Lewis. Just not what I'm looking for. Any good shooting guards? Like, I believe Matisse is still on his rookie deal. Marcus Smart would not be bad. Tyler Hero, I like. Money doesn't match. That's okay, though. Never mind, it's not. We'll sign someone. We'll sign someone. Hey, we can do this. No. Beverly, we can probably sign to complete this, right? Keldon, I need Keldon back. Alright, doesn't look like we're gonna get Keldon back. That's not good. Muscala will try. Keldon's gonna get a deal. We're gonna match it. I really like this trade. Keldon and Thibault in a first for Nafali and Hayward. Is there like a Thibault Hayward swap out there? We're 13 off. Keldon is making 17 mil. We're going to do Keldon for Gordon. You want 2 firsts with me, Richard Solomon. And now I'm going to try something. Tyler Hero was the guy we're trying to get. Alright. Mike Muscala and Matisse. Richard Solomon and Devin Dotson, sure. We get Tyler Hero. Devin Dotson, what can you get me? I've made an abomination. Not an abomination, I'm not going to say I have, but I think it's, we have a good Josh Green, yeah. Give me Josh Green any day. I really like this kid. Alright, what can you get me, though? You know, we just got to see. Nas Reed, yeah. Alright, what's our team looking like if we tried to run like a rotation? We have Curry, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 guys we'd like to play for sure. I'm not saying we trade Pascal, but I will take a look at what he could get me. If nothing great, he's going to stay. And yeah, he's going to stay. Tyler Hero. We got to go all in on the final year. Ashton Higgins, not for Hero. Nicole Mannion. Hayward, in case he regresses. I mean, it's alright to take a look. Jonathan Isaac doesn't progress well. But, I mean, stats are usually not good when I look. I'll try Bam, and then that's going to call it cap it. I do get Bam a lot. Mitchell Robinson in a second we could get back. Jaylen Brown and Amari Silva. See, they're nice players, but I think the positions I have are fine. Is there a Hayward for, like, room swap out there? We need this 14 off. I think our team is set. Yeah, I'll see you guys at the start of the year. I don't know if I should trade Clay now, because he's kind of regressed to an 87, and I was thinking of maybe him and, like, Josh Green's a 78. I mean, maybe we could get something better at this point. If I get, like, a 90 overall shooting guard, I'll do it. Luka will never happen, I know that. Like Mitchell, they're $2 million off. Could they give me someone for like $2 mil? Mia Yomi. And we can't do it because they need another player. And they're over the cap. That won't work. What's Clay's trade finder? Because it's not like we're necessarily getting bad offers for him. Lonzo, I might roll with Clay. Keldon Johnson's good. Kind of regret trading him, but hey, at least we got our guy Hayward, who only regressed 1 overall. So I might look at some trades for him. Let's look at the rotation, actually. Who's not playing? Just Josh Green. It's a 9-man rotation. Alright. What can Josh Green get me? Like Jeff Teague and Josh Green. It auto-signed out Teague, so no one wants Teague, I guess. What does anyone want for Green? This is interesting. I mean, I will attach 2 first if it gets it done. Precious. Yeah, I'll take Precious. But he's just not going to play, so this repeats itself. Maybe I could do a 2-for-1 deal. Like Precious and Hayward. Because we have Jalen Johnson, so. We don't really need Hayward, honestly. Richaun Holmes and Duncan Robinson. Boucher. I don't need a small forward, like a shooting guard. I don't know. I might just run it, you know? I honestly might. Except when I have Clay is only playing like 27, like 31 to Curry, 29 to SGA, 29 to Siakam. Bam, this is Wiseman's video. He'll start and get 28, 24 to Adebayo, 18 to Pascal, Hero 16. Hero's gonna play like this one. I want to give Johnson about 20 as the 7th man. Pascal 18, Tyler Hero 13, Hayward 7. Not 7, 13. What am I saying? We have 13 remaining. Hayward will get 8. New look of like 31 to Clay, 33 here, 33 here, 32 there, 29 there. Power rankings. We are not even in the top picture. We're not even top 7. Look, I know that they have got Fox and Bible from us. We're better. We are. Memphis is the only team I'm worried about. Not going to bother looking at the other ones. Eric's is probably the same. We're probably even worse on 2K Sports. I'll see you guys at the end of the last year. Here we go. Alright, guys. We go 64 and 18. Best record yet. Giannis. Him. Bobo, Anthony Davis, AJ Watson, Jacob Underwood. So the Bulls have the best record. Hampton, Bogdanovich, Bridges, Giannis, Mitchell Robinson. Oh, really? 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 Yeah, Mitchell Robinson's there. You know, I probably shouldn't be hating on him, to be honest, though. Whatever, though. Curry, SJ, you can see the stats. I want to hop into these playoffs, as I always say. Hayward, only averaged like 5 points, whatever, though. DeJounte Murray, Derek White, Miles Bridges, Isaiah Todd, Rudy Gobert, Tyrese Maxey. Team was ranked higher than us, and look who finished number 1. All those trades might pay off if we win. Alright. We win in 4. Cool. No. This is the second round matchup? Okay, 3-1. Huge. Yes, we move on. Alright, Pels. Probably have Ingram and Zion still. Theo Maledon, Markelle Fultz, Ingram, Zion, Hayes. Look at Zion. He's a 96, guys. Kyle Lowry's all the way down as an 82 over there. Elfrid Payton. Malik Monk looks like he's a better player, higher in the rotation than Lowry. They have Zach Bell, Daniel Gafford. That's a good 6 seed. And we win. If we have the Bulls, it's the 1 seed versus the 1 seed. If we go down in this series, I'm gonna stop it. Alright. Let's see. Alright, now. That's huge. That is huge. That is a huge win. If we can get this one here. Yes! 3-1! Let's go, guys. Come on, let's win this. I think we're going to win in Oracle. They're up, though. They're coming back. Oh, they're blowing us out. This won't be the game. Simulate to the next one. 3-2. Come on. Come on, Golden State. Come on, GSW, ride till the end. Oh, we're blowing them out. Oh, they're done. We'll see you guys in the game. Alright, guys. So, unfortunately, the last clip here of the gameplay did accidentally get corrupted, so I would like to apologize for that. But yeah, we did end up going on to win it all, so really, really awesome there, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button, please make sure to do so. If you guys are new, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment down below what your favorite part of the video was. Would you guys like to see another prospect rebuild? And if so, leave a comment for some ideas. Yeah, and actually, I did add something in to the end. The last clip here is going to be some gameplay against Ben Lemos. An incredible ending to a game. So, yeah, still some gameplay in this video. So, yeah, definitely make sure to check that out. But that is going to be it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. And, yeah, enjoy this last few minutes of the gameplay.